everyone, so today is going to be a Lookfantastic scent edit unboxing. I feel like it's been absolutely ages since I've done one of these boxes. I'm really excited to unbox this with you guys. It's still available as I'm filming this, which is good because sometimes like we totally don't get it when it's like by the time I get this up. So I'm hoping I get this up as fast as possible for you guys. Normally it's like not available. If you don't know what the Lookfantastic scent edit is, it is a beauty box that has mini fragrances in. It costs £55, but then you get £55 in a voucher to use against one of these fragrances, a full size fragrance. Granted, the full size is normally more than the 55, but you only like end up having to pay like £15 for a full size fragrance. And then you're getting all these minis for free as well, basically, because you're getting that £55 voucher. So you're getting £55 back to spend on a full-size fragrance. I do have a coupon code for Lookfantastic. I will put that on the screen. Yeah, it is an affiliate code, but it will help my channel out so much if you use it. It gives you discounts on most items on Lookfantastic. I don't think it's working on this box. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't, but it's worth just trying in anyways. But either way, it's such a good deal in anyways, this box. And I'm going to get into it and we're going to see what fragrances we got. And then I've already got my £55 voucher, but I haven't decided what I'm using my £55 voucher on yet. But this is what the box looks like. It's just a plain simple box. And then let's see if I can get this slit off. So we've got our plain little box here, and we are in. So we haven't got a QR code or anything like that to scan. But the first little one here is a Lancome Le Versatile mini. It is of their original Lancome Le Versatile as well. This is an absolutely beautiful perfume. I actually already have a mini of this. Oh, it's gorgeous. One of my top 5 fragrances. This looks like just a 5ml size. I can't see, it has got it there, but I can't see. But I think that is like a 5ml size. And the next one that isn't actually in a mini size in that sort of form, it's like a spray one. It is the Valentino Donna Born Aroma Go Spray, and it is a 10ml. So this is what it looks like here. I actually do like, I love it when you get minis in there, like mini versions of the bottles. But I do like little spray versions like this because I can put them in my bag for work. And this looks really nice. I'm sure I've had a one of this before. It smells really nice. Yeah, it smells really nice. I'm not sure if it's something I would want as a full size, but I do quite like that little size there. So that's exciting. Then we've got a YSL Libre. This is definitely one that I'm not the biggest fan of. And I love YSL fragrances just in general. But Libre is just one that I'm not the biggest fan of. It's just not, it's not to my taste. But I love that that is in a mini bottle too. And see if I can see the size of that one. £7.5ml that one is. Then we've got the Paradox Prada. So this is actually in a box as well, and this is 7ml. And I love that the box actually has like the way the bottle sort of thing is. I love that. Like the little V. And this is what it looks like here. I've had this fragrance before. It's nice. It's definitely not one that I would want a full size of. It's like a very sickly sweet scent. Very bonny though. Like very, like I would wear, if I was going to wear this, this would be like in the summer. It's like a very, very sweet perfume. Very sweet. I can see why people like it though. Then we've got an Alien one. It's just a 6ml size, just a little mini size. Alien isn't one of my favourites, if I'm going to be honest, but I mean, how cute is that? I love the way the bottle looks, and as I'm getting older, I do like it more than I used to. Like I was saying, is as I've gotten older, Alien is definitely like grew on me more, but it's definitely not one that I think would be one that I purchased out of all the ones I love and use. It's just, it's just not one, but it's such a long lasting fragrance. And I mean, that mini is so cute. So absolutely love that. And that was a 6ml. And then we've got something which is a 15ml, which in my opinion is a good size. This is the Giorgio Armani Oud Up Perfume C Intense, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, it's all sealed. How fab would this be? So yeah, that is all sealed up like that. So I'm going to keep it like that because I think that's actually fab. I'll put an image of the screen on it, and this is going to be like a little gift for somebody, I think, for Christmas. I think this smells beautiful. So I'll run through everything that you get again. So you get the Giorgio Armani C, but this is the intense version, 15ml. Such a good like stock and fill item. I mean, even these minis are stock and fill items. I often either use them as like advent calendar days for my family or things like that. So we've got the Alien 6ml one, the YSL Libre one, the Lancome Le Versatile mini. I often normally keep these for myself, but I've already got a mini. The Prada Paradox 7ml mini. And then the Valentino Bonum Roma 10ml. Is it 10ml? Yep, 10ml mini. So that is everything you get for your £55 with the £55 voucher. I think it's an absolute steal, an absolute bargain. So I would 100% recommend this box. I'll have it linked down below. I'll have my coupon code on the screen here and linked and down below as well. Like I say, I don't think it works for this box, but it will work for a lot of items on Lookfantastic if you're doing a Lookfantastic haul or anything like that, and it helps my channel out so much. Yeah, but I'm so chuffed with this. I'm so glad that we have another one. I hope they release another one in a few weeks time because I absolutely love these boxes. I love unboxing boxes and everything like that for you guys. So if you haven't already, I would love you to subscribe down below. I do just want to mention that I actually have a giveaway going on my Instagram. I'll have the reel linked below. It is for the Wild limited edition Heart Valentine's Day case and lip balm case with the refill. Yeah, if you just want to go and enter that, it's dead simple. All you need to do is follow me on Instagram and comment on that reel. I'll have it down below for you guys if you want. There may be extra freebies in that giveaway as well, at like a little few extra freebies on top of the Wild deodorant and the lip balm as well. But yeah, if you haven't already, I would love to just go, because actually I think I've only got 2 people who's entered it. I don't know if people actually realise it's a giveaway or what, or maybe people just don't want to win that item, I don't know, but it is a little extra giveaway for you guys if you just want to enter that as well. I'll have the real link down below. But I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video, and anyways, if you like these type of videos, I would love to subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.